Hi everyone, and welcome to another 30-day coloring challenge video. Today is day 6 and I am coloring this super cute little walrus. This is from the Frosty friend stamp. It was a MFT free with purchase stamp, which is a it was a super adorable, and it works perfect with the Polar Pal stamp set. So if you look at an image of a walrus, they usually have pink bellies and pink noses. So I wanted to get that in here, but I didn't want to have this super duper bright pink. I wanted to have a little bit of a muted pink. So what I've done is I have started with a bottom layer where I've added pink where I wanted it to be, and then I'm just going to blend over with different shades of gray, so I don't have to think about the shadowing on the pinker part. They are just to add a little bit of a pink accent. They're also I'm taking a couple of artistic freedom with the shadowing on this little critter because I wanted his nose and his belly and the underneath of his flipper. Is it a flipper? Yeah, anyhow, underneath his little arm, I wanted the pink to really be seen, which means I didn't want to shade those parts, so I just didn't. Instead, I've concentrated the shading on the sides of the flippers and kind of more on the upper back. The idea is that the kind of light is coming from the front more than anything, but so a little bit of artistic freedom. It's not fully realistic shadows, but you are allowed to do that. It is every time you color, it is your image, and you color the image how you want it to look. If you like how it looks, then you've done a nice coloring. That's just how it is. Any kind of crafts are very dependent. If you like it, depends on your taste, and there's not a taste that is good or bad. It's just different. So as long as you love your coloring, continue coloring that way if you like it. So but yeah, so I took some freedoms, added a little bit shadow here and there just to give it a little bit of dimension more than having a realistic shadow effect. I go over with the grays with 2 layers to build up that shadowing like I usually do. I did get a pretty good blend on the first layer, so it was more just building up the shadows than actually getting a better blend. For his little scarf, I'm picking back up some of those blue-greens that I was working with earlier in the week and added them to the scarf, so they kind of, most of the images kind of matches, because I thought that would be cute, and so yeah. And after going in with my blue greens, I just take my white gel pen and kind of fill in his little teeth so that they are proper white, and then I fill in his nose and his eyes with a black gel pen to make them pop a little bit. And that was the coloring for today. I want to thank you so much for watching. If you like it, please like it. Press that thumb up, that means a lot to me. If you have any questions, just comment down below. Down below you find all of the pens used and the stamps used in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!